The N10 system by Checkpoint is a compact electronic article surveillance system with the latest technology to help secure items in your store. The N10 system's small size and virtually non-existent footprint is perfect for stores that are trying to maximize their floor space. Whether you're trying to protect your merchandise in a liquor store or in a convenience store, the N10 system size is sure to fit all of your needs. The advanced technology of the N10 system allows it to pair with any hard tag that is already compatible with other Checkpoint systems. The N10's benefits don't end there. This system is also completely compatible with Visi Plus and Evolve. If anything in your store is tampered with, a 95 decibel alarm will sound and alert anyone nearby. For more information on the N10 system by Checkpoint and its advanced technology, contact us today. Thank you so much for watching.